Welcome dear students. Today we will discuss some numerical problem related with chapter force and law of motion. Students, in this video we will discuss numerical problems related with momentum and Newton's second law of motion. So our first question is, a 4 kilogram body is rolling down from the top of the hill with a velocity of 12 meter per second. Find the momentum of the body. So here the mass is given as 4 kilogram, the velocity is 12 meter per second, and we have to calculate the momentum. Student, we know that momentum is equals to mass into velocity. So if we have to calculate the momentum, then we have to multiply mass and velocity. Mass is 4 kilogram, velocity is 12, so 12 4 ja 48, and the unit of momentum is kilogram meter per second. So here through this way we can calculate the momentum of the body. Our next question is, a body of mass 20 kg and has a momentum of 125 kg meter per second. Calculate the velocity of the body. So as according to question, mass is 20 kg, momentum is 125 kg meter per second, and we have to calculate the velocity. So again we will use the same formula, momentum is equals to mass into velocity, and here the velocity will comes out momentum upon mass. Momentum is 125, mass is 20. So if we divide 20, 5 4 ja 20, 5 2 ja 10, and 5 5 ja 25. So the velocity will comes out 25 upon 4. Velocity will comes out 25 upon 4. If we divide 4 and 25, then 4 4 ja 16, 4 6 ja 24, 4 2 ja 8, 4 5 ja 20. So the velocity will comes out 6.25 meter per second. So this is all about the velocity of the body. Now our next question is question number 3. The momentum of a train is increased from 500 kg meter per second to 1000 kg meter per second in 2 minutes. Calculate the force. So here the initial momentum is 500 kg meter per second. Final momentum is 1000 kg meter per second, and time is 2 minutes. Or if we convert minute into second, then it will comes out 120 second, and we have to calculate the force. So students, we know that as according to Newton's second law of motion, the external force applied on the body will be directly proportional to the change in the time rate of change of momentum of the body. So here the force will be change in momentum upon change in time. It means P2 minus P1 upon delta T. If we calculate the force, the final momentum is 1000, initial momentum is 500, and time is 120 second. 500 upon 120, 0 से 0 कैंसिल आउट होगा, 2 6 जा 12, एंड यहाँ पे आएगा 25. If we divide 25 by 6, then 6 4 जा 24, 1 डेसिमल लगाएंगे, 6 1 जा 6, 4 आएगा, 6 6 जा 36, and so on. So the force will be 4.16 Newton. Now we are going to our next question. Our next question is, a 2 kilogram book is lying on a table. So mass is 2 kilogram, and a force of 10 Newton is applied on it. Force is 10 Newton. Calculate how much acceleration will be produced. We have to calculate the acceleration. So from the mathematical representation of Newton's second law of motion, that is F is equals to ma, we get F upon m. So for acceleration, force upon mass, force is 10, mass is 2, so 2 5s are 10, means 5 meter per second square will be our acceleration. Now next question, question number 5. Calculate how much force, we have to calculate the force, is required which may produce an acceleration of 5 meter per second. Acceleration is 5 meter per second square of a bicycle of mass 15 किलोग्राम. So mass is 15 किलोग्राम. तो 15 किलोग्राम मास की एक बाइसिकल में 5 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर की एक्सेलरेशन प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए हमें कितना फोर्स चाहिए. तो अगेन फ्रॉम न्यूटन सेकेंड लॉ ऑफ मोशन, F is equals to ma, m is 15, एक्सेलरेशन इज़ 5, तो 15 5 is 75 न्यूटन. Force will be 75 Newton. Next question, question number 6. A car of mass 100 kilogram start its motion from rest. So as according to question, mass is 100 kilogram, and because the object initially is at rest, then the initial velocity will be 0 meter per second. How much force must be applied? We have to calculate the force on it so that a velocity of 30 meter per second be produced in 10 seconds. The final velocity is 30 meter per second and the given time is 10 seconds. So students, in this question we have to calculate the force, and the force is equals to mass into acceleration. Mass is 100 kilogram, but we don't know anything about the acceleration. So for calculating acceleration, we will use first equation of motion, that is v is equals to u plus at. Okay, v is 30 meter per second, initial velocity is 0, acceleration we have to calculate, and time is 10. So here 30 is equals to 10t, 10a, 10 3 is 30. So acceleration is 3 meter per second square, and if we have to calculate the force, then mass is 100 kilogram, acceleration is 3, then our force will be 100 3 is 300 Newton. 300 Newton will be our required force. Next question, which would be require a greater force for accelerating a 5 kilogram mass at the rate of 10 meter per second square. किस बॉडी को एक्सेलरेट करने में ज़्यादा फोर्स की रिक्वायरमेंट होगी? F1 is equals to m1 a1 and F2 is equals to m2 a2. As according to question, mass of first object is 5 kilogram, acceleration of first object is 10, then 10 5 is 50 न्यूटन. तो F1 यहाँ से आपके पास आता है 50 न्यूटन. फॉर सेकेंड ऑब्जेक्ट, mass is 4 kilogram, acceleration is 12 4 is 48 Newton. So force is 48 Newton. So student, here we can identify the first force is greater than second. Now our next question is, the ratio of masses of two bodies is 1:2. It means m1 upon m2 is 1/2. By applying a certain force on the first body, an acceleration of 4 meter per second square is produced. A बॉडी के ऊपर कुछ सर्टेन फोर्स अप्लाई करने के बाद A बॉडी में एक्सेलरेशन प्रोड्यूस होता है 4 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. हाउ मच एक्सेलरेशन विल बी प्रोड्यूस्ड इन द सेकेंड बॉडी बाय द सेम फोर्स? अगर सेम फोर्स लगाते हैं हम सेकेंड बॉडी पे, तो वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द एक्सेलरेशन प्रोड्यूस्ड इन द सेकेंड बॉडी. So as according to question, force is same, so m1 a1 will be comes out m2 a2, and here m1 upon m2 will equals to a2 upon a1. Here we knows that the value of m1 upon m2, that is 1/2. 1 upon 2, and the value of acceleration in first body, that is 4. So A2 will comes out 1 upon 2 is equals to A upon 4. So A is equals to 4 upon 2, 2 to the 4, that is A2. So acceleration produced in second body by the same force will be 2 meter per second square. These are some problems for your self practice. After doing these problems, you can comment your answer in the comment box. If you like this video, you can